It's Friday night and we are making pizza. Now, a couple of hours before you want the pizza, you need to make the dough. And the first step in making the dough is to proof some yeast. So I've got 250 ml of lukewarm water, 1 sachet of dried yeast or trockenhefe, and so that's 7 grams if you don't have it this way in Australia. And then you throw it in, and to feed the yeast you need a little bit of sugar, and then you quickly stir it until the yeast basically dissolves. It's going to smell a little bit like beer or kava if you've been to Fiji. And now you just cover it with a tea towel, and you leave that for about 30 minutes. When the yeast has bubbled like this and has a froth on it, then we can add the flour. You want to help, sweetie?
Yeah.
Okay.
How much flour is it?
3 cups of flour.
And I'll put this flour in. Can you count them for me, Mummy?
I think you know how to count them, Matilda.
No, I just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10.
You missed out. 8. Now you've got to make sure the cup is full before you put it in, sweetie. Put a pinch of salt in while we get the flour.
We're making pizza dough.
That's right, but we're going to let it rise first. We put all the flour in. So how many is that?
2.
That was 1.
1.
This one's 2.
2. Ouch. Now this fixed up. Now we have to mix it around.
You can start mixing it with the fork.
Daddy. And then he gave me a kiss on the bum bum.
Did he?
Yeah. Bum bum kisses from me. Now the pizza dough is getting better.
Let's have a look. Keep stirring and then you put your hands in.
It's like chopping.
It is like that. It's the same ingredients, you see. Okay, now I think you can mix it with your hands. There you go. Put your hands in there. So I'm going to bring it all together.
There's lots of colour.
There we go. You might need to put your hands in some flour because it still feels a bit sticky. So put a little bit of flour on top.
A little flour for me on my hands.
And
Then we take
you've got
sticky.
to knead it and roll it together. Matilda, you want to turn doing this?
Yeah.
Rolling it like that? Now you got to like punch it so it all comes together. There you go. Very good. You need to keep kneading it until it's not so sticky.
And make it round and flat. Then we can make our pizza.
Well, we don't make it flat just yet because we need to let it rise again so that the dough at least doubles in size so we can make 3 pieces. I'm going to roll it into a ball.
I'll put some flour on my
And make sure that it's nice and smooth. Put a little bit of flour over the top. See, now it's a ball. And now we need to put it back so it can rise, but we put a little bit of olive oil in the bowl.
And put that in.
And mix it around like that. And then we put this one in. So that's how small it goes in. And then we're going to check it in 1 hour. Now the dough has doubled in size. Cover it in flour. So I split it into 3 different balls. And this is our first pizza. And we are having a garlic tomato pesto. And it's just butter, pesto, and garlic. And then with cherry tomatoes on top. There's another one in a little ball. Just roll it out.
Did you use special flour?
No. Just normal, plain, white flour.
Have you got any top tips for making pizza at home?
Probably allow yourself plenty of time that dough really does double, because the more you can leave the dough, the more pizza base you will have. Now we have pizza sauce, just using it out of a jar.
Do Do you stick to the rules of like keeping a centimeter free at the edge or doing something like that?
Nope. I'm going to cover all of it because otherwise the kids don't eat the crust.
That's actually true in the top tip, certainly from my side as well. Have you noticed how many people leave the crust behind on a pizza? So if you do go with the covering all the way to the edge, getting more pizza out of it.
We're going to make a pepperoni for the kids, and I'm using buffalo mozzarella, and you can just tear the buffalo mozzarella on there. We always put the cheese underneath because Matilda says she doesn't like cheese, and if she sees cheese she won't eat it. So if we put it underneath, we're hiding it, and she eats it.
And before you ask, yes, it is embarrassing for a Swiss daddy that Swiss Cutty girl does not like cheese. I am not sure how it happened.
She still loves cheese sticks, so it's not strictly true that she doesn't like cheese. Now we're going to cover up the cheese with this salami. Can I put it in the oven?
Yeah. Here.
It's going to be really hot. Now you have to put the oven on one of the hottest settings, so this is 240 degrees, and you have to preheat it so it's super hot when it goes in, so that the dough starts cooking immediately and doesn't go soggy from the sides. Alright, now you can close it. Go, 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 go! I'm going to check it after 15 minutes. Now to make our final pizza, a ham and pineapple. My favourite, with lots of onion. That's going to be delicious. It smells good already. One pepperoni pizza. Ready? This is thin and crispy. Pizza's ready.